So today we are building the Elves Falath Evo new UCI model. We're at Taylor Cycles with Jay Taylor. He's currently dismantling the SEKA. We're going to put, what are we putting on it, Jay?
SRAM Force ASX 12-speed off of this bad boy, yeah.
Okay, cool. We're weighing the frame again, because when I weighed it, there was 2 headset bearings. Is that right, Jay?
Yes, the top and the bottom headset bearing.
Actually 1290.
We've got to be careful, because Elves has got its own security here. If we say anything wrong, he's going to come at us.
Well, you got the first frame.
Even before you?
Even before me.
Okay, right.
So I had to come and see it, have a look. This is like a pre-production model. It's actually used in all the glamour shots.
Is that going to stop you though?
He's got long legs. Could kick a pretty good kung fu kick, I reckon. Nah, I could take him. Some foamy type rubber tubing, because you'll get in these big frames a bit of noise.
Yep.
It's pretty loud, so you just slide it down the cable. They'll see your video and make sure that the frames come with it.
No mallet required for that one, Jay?
Yeah, just the frame, you know, look, you might think it doesn't make sense. People saying it looks a bit girthy, but then once you put the stem on, it just makes sense. Look at it. This bike's pre-production, so we're just checking off on a few little things. I'm making sure it's going to come with some headset spaces, so you can lift this up a bit. That's why I'm leaving the little bit of room on top for us. That's nice as well. It just went straight in. It's just well finished. Yeah, new company. Check out the online store, ridersupply.com.au, I should say.
Where's Bailey when you need him?
I don't need any hand. It just went straight through.
Oh, okay.
Is a Press Fit 30 dub. So here you coming. Just having a geezer, mate. It's got a spring under there, lots of engagements. It's a nice little...
They've tried to make it like a DT Swiss Hut, from what I've heard.
Very nice ratchet. The THO1 ceramic bearings. Special system. Very, very, very nice. Very light. It is, but it's a little bit more latexy. 100% recyclable.
Oh, nice.
50 doll hairs. Hello.
Magic.
Come on. It is as light as a feather.
What tyres are we putting on now, Jay?
Victoria Corsa Control Graphene's own.
Ready, set, go.
Voila! When doing hydraulic disc brakes, it's really important to wear safety glasses.
Why?
Because so you don't get oil in your eye. But that was from some weird green tyre sealant.
Really?
Yeah.
Right.
Just getting the bubbles out of the lines and the levers.
Okay.
Bring the camera around here, you can see. And now you can actually probably see through there.
Okay, yeah.
That's the game changer. This is Inika Rose Taylor.
Yes?
Hello. Him.
Him. Is that your daddy?
Yeah.
Yes. I hear he's the best daddy in the world according to this up here. Got a bit of a crowd there, Jay. What's going on?
Oh, you know, they've come in to see this new bike. Fully cyclovation Vito.
I said available from online from Riders Supply Code.
The other nice thing is, for such a well-priced bar tape, I won't use the word cheap because it's not cheap, it's high quality, it's just not overpriced. It comes with a really nice little finishing tape. Oh, bye.
Bye, Daddy.
I love you. bad boy out. That's true. Soccer. Gonna go play soccer, mate.
In what way?
It's time for disc brakes. I think that thing just pulled up too. There's no flex or fork chatter. Like they
Let's go.
they've made the fork twice as big. There's no fork flex or chatter at all.
good
Girthy
girth
and
on it.
stiff, yeah.
Oh, there's
Anyone
no
but
good,
Alec.
Don't worry. I have to bring it down to PG. It takes a lot of energy.
No flex, eh?